Hiding your notification content on the Android lock screen is a quick way to keep your private messages away from prying eyes, and I will show you exactly how to do it. Start by grabbing your phone and opening the Settings app. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the small gear icon, or by finding Settings in your app drawer. Once you are in the main Settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Notifications. Tap on that to enter the submenu. From here, you need to find the specific entry for lock screen notifications. When you tap this, you will see a few different preferences for how your phone handles alerts while it is locked. Look for the option that says Show Content or Hide Content. The important thing is that this setting usually applies to your entire device globally. If you select Hide Content, your phone will still show you that you have a new message from an app like WhatsApp or Gmail, but it will no longer display the actual text of the message or the name of the sender on the lock screen. Now, that goes both ways. While this keeps your data private, it also means you cannot quickly glance at your phone to see if a message is urgent without fully unlocking the device. In my case, I prefer to keep the content hidden, so I can leave my phone on a table without worrying about who might read my incoming alerts. If you only want to hide previews for one or two specific apps rather than everything, stay in this menu and look for the list of apps. You can tap on a specific app and toggle the lock screen content setting to off for just that one. This allows you to keep your calendar alerts visible while keeping your private chats masked. Once you have made your choice, you can simply back out of the Settings app and lock your screen to test it out. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.